Hi everyone, welcome to the Reflexy channel. On this channel we are sharing short videos that are tips and tricks and just snippets about mental health, self-love, self-esteem and all that good kind of stuff. So today our video is about how journaling can help you improve your self-esteem and get to know yourself better. So I am Nour from Reflectly and I'm going to guide you through this short video. So if you feel like your self-esteem is quite low, you should know that journaling can actually help you improve this and improve the relationship that you have with yourself. Because when you journal, you kind of get to take a step back from who you are and see your life from an outside perspective. And then it's actually kind of like if you were just talking to yourself and becoming your own friend in some way. So you get to be more compassionate toward yourself. And when you're more compassionate towards yourself, you understand yourself better and you become more gentle and you can build more self-esteem as you would build more esteem towards someone else. Journaling also allows you to kind of get back to the way you were feeling before. So if you just write something down, then you get back to it, you will understand better the way you used to feel. And also it helps you kind of notice if your emotions were totally legitimate or if you were maybe not being completely yourself. And then you understand yourself better, you can discover different patterns and you can prevent negative emotions from building up, and it makes you way more healthy and conscious and aware of who you are. When you meet a stranger and you start talking to them, you get to understand them and you listen to them and you know how they're feeling and you just discover their lives. And journaling helps you do this with yourself because you can get back to what you wrote and simply read it as someone else's story. It also gives you the ability to give yourself advice. Just simply become your own friend, because that's very important. You want to prioritize your relationship with yourself so you can build more self-esteem, so you can become your own best friend. And this way you can avoid feeling very stressed, very anxious, and you just have more compassion for yourself and you just love yourself more. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned some new things and you can start building up your self-esteem and loving yourself more. Also, you can subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this, and please let us know in the comments if there is anything else you would like us to talk about. If you want us to dive deeper into some topics, we would be very happy to do so. And until next time, bye!